It's
have we inverted
TVK numbers है.
Yeah, we need to perhaps.
Wow.
No, this
He'll fund the
is
government if he
this is
gets this
it.
number.
This
This is
is
the
it.
correct number.
Well,
So
may
what's
I
happening
tell
here?
you that
Shekhar Iyer, all the youth, all the women. One second. This is if this is
his
believed to be
number.
true, what has happened over here? They are actually getting more than even the DMK. Is that
I'm
really an
inclined to
election
Let me
form a
check the
political party
Axis
and go for
My
the
India
exit
number.
polls, Madhav.
Yeah, it's true.
Phenomenal.
Well, Access My India
I think
is
this is true.
Access My India is giving 99
Yes.
to 120
If
to
this is
TVK.
if this is true, Vijay will become chief minister. The AIADMK will support him from outside. If this number is true,
Without any mind.
this is not my number. This is Access My India's number.
I object.
This is-
Harish ji, I object. Please do not cast aspersions on the voters.
Saying generally, you
No,
know, the
do
Tamil
not
Nadu people
cast
are not
aspersions
that
on the
fool to
voters.
give
They
these
are
kind of
very
mandate
intelligent. Every election they
to a
choose their
guy who
government.
directly
So
come to the
just because
CM
they
chair.
choose DVK does not mean that the voters are silly.
Navika, give me a
Anand,
fact.
Anand.
Very unfortunate, and I think two panelists should have the large heart to apologize, Harish ji and Sanjay. Why do we patronize the voters? Now he's saying if this is true, do you think Tamil Nadu voters are that foolish? Sanjay is saying, well, are they so bigoted that they are voting BJP? People who have voted DMK have also voted, Harish, 1 second. People who have voted Congress have voted BJP, removed BJP, voted Congress again.
With due
It's
respect, let
nothing
me
to
come
do
give me
with
a hard 30
bigotry or
seconds.
polarization. Harish,
Now,
let
with
me
due
finish.
respect,
So please.
MGR before becoming the CM, he was there with the politics for almost 25 years. And this guy, with due respect to Mr. Vijay,
Well, let's not
want
judge.
directly to switch from the film directly
I
to the
don't
CM
believe
chair.
this. Personally,
Do you think the people of Tamil Nadu
None of
who
that
are there
matters.
for
None of
almost
that
100
matters.
years have been civilized with the ideological fact will directly go and vote to give this kind of majority?
If
This
people
kind
have
of
made up their
majority?
mind, they've made up their mind. It doesn't
No,
matter
not
whether
at all.
it's
Not at all.
I
Filzar.
strongly object anybody calling names to the voters. The voters are the bosses, my friend, for all political parties. Political parties and
No,
political
no,
leaders
Navika, we
should
reject
never forget they report to the people of India. And it is the people who make a decision. Do not call them silly, stupid, foolish. Please, unacceptable.
Clear.
Yeah.
Unlike the DMK spokesperson, we bow down to the voter, whatever the verdict is. But I make two bold predictions. Post these election results, you will see the India Alliance falling apart. People in the India Alliance not accepting Rahul Gandhi's leadership, and you will see reconfiguration of the India Alliance
And the
happening after
same
this.
kind of
Mind
propaganda
this
has
word.
been given on
Nobody
charges
will
against
accept
Rahul.
that.
They have been limited
Pradeep
to
Bhandari,
240.
1 minute. Even before Bengal elections were concluded. Harish, 1 minute. Can I speak? Pradeep Bhandari, the BJP was busy getting people over from other political parties in the opposition even while elections were going. We don't have to wait for elections for that to happen. आप किसी भी मौसम में ले सकते हैं दूसरी तरफ से लोगों को.
नविका जी, ये शास्त्रों में लिखा है.
हाँ. और हम सब कल पैदा हुए थे, ये भी शास्त्रों में
Let's
लिखा
just
है.
comment 1 minute on this number. I just want to come in.
Just one point about this. It looks very, out of this thing, character out of place to see that TVK making that big. But we know that this has happened in 1983. N.T. Ramarao did it. And so there is always a novelty factor. I always believe, and I discussed with Zaka, that for TVK it's now or never. So there cannot be a sequel, there cannot be a remake of that.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And
also,
in southern states, film personalities have held an attraction. MGR, Jayalalitha, NTR have been phenomenons of the past. Shekhar Iyer, you can't disagree with
Navika, you cannot compare NTR and Vijay. See, that is the problem. And also, don't forget the one elephant we are not discussing in the room. How much of money the ruling combine has spent on each voter, apart from the announcements in the manifestos.
How much of money Jagan spent, Jagan gave. See, the point is that
there is another
nobody,
factor.
I don't think any one of us, I have to tell you that Vijay's support, the noise is so much. The noise is so much. But when we had to go to the rural villages, that is where we found that his support was shallow. But on the streets of Chennai, in the urban areas, So many people were shouting Vijay, 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 unprecedented.
Well,
Well, just
when
before
I
you
got
go, I just want to say
into
one point
votes and
that,
seats, we
Vijay's
don't
value-
know. We are completely out of time. I can just sum up these elections. Assam, well, most polls saying goes to the NDA. Bengal, the jury is out, extremely close, extremely keenly contested. One poll is an outlier which gives it to the TMC. All the others show a close contest with the BJP. Is one right or all the others right? We don't know. Tamil Nadu, one outlier which gives it to the ADMK and one gives it to TVK. All the others give it to the DMK. Even Stevens, there's a lot of discussion that will happen. Khela to roz ho raha hai. Kerala, well, most people saying the UDF is coming in, LDF is going out. It will be communist Mukt Bharat after that. And Puducherry, advantage NDA. That's the way it's stacked, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, remember to be with us all evening today as we look at these numbers. And of course, 4th of May, the Election News headquarters here on Times Now. Because it's not done till the results actually keep coming in, pouring in on Result Day Live. We'll see you then. Thank you very much for joining us on this broadcast. Zaka?
Good night, and our coverage continues right on the other side. Pranesh will be here. The national picture. There's been some big, bold predictions. India alliance will collapse. Will that happen or not? We'll know right on the other side. Stay with Times Now.